Hello, my name is Alma. I'm a student in grade 7. In my family, there are 4 people. Mommy, daddy, my brother, and I. When I grow up, I want to become an English teacher. I'm from Cambodia, from Sibiu City, Nagada. Thursday, 24th of April, 2025. Let's read. Đọc của Dương An. Read. Jolan. Sakada wears a uniform to school every day. Ai sẵn tháng tơ xà lá chỉ riêng rót ngày After school, he wears the same t-shirt and shorts. After school, he wears the same t-shirt and shorts. បន្ទាប់ចេញពីសាលារៀនគាត់ពាក់ខោជើងខ្លីហើយនឹងអាវយឺតដដែលបន្ទាប់ចេញពីសាលារៀនគាត់ពាក់ខោជើងខ្លីនិងអាវយឺតដដែល He wears different pajamas every night. He wears different pajamas every night. គាត់ស្លៀកពាក់ឈុតកេងคล้ายជារៀងរាល់យប់គាត់ស្លៀកពាក់ឈុតកេងคล้ายជារៀងរាល់យប់ Tonight he is wearing his new green and purple ones. Tonight he is wearing his new green and purple ones. យប់នេះគាត់ពាក់ឈុតកេងពណ៌ស្វាយនិងពណ៌បៃតងថ្មីរបស់គាត់យប់នេះគាត់ពាក់ឈុតកេងពណ៌បៃតងថ្មីរបស់គាត់ Sing for kitten សម្ភារៈផ្ទះបាយ